In the midst of Angela Deem's legal battle, Ilesanmi, who is engaged to 90-day Fiancé, has shown off his clean new home and hinted at good news. Does the 90-day Fiancé show a happily ever after? In the midst of celebrating his new life in a new house after breaking up with Angela Deem, the celebrity Ilesanmi is set to share some good news with his friends and followers. In December of 2023, Michael made his way from Nigeria to the United States. Following their initial encounter on Facebook, he had been in a committed relationship with Angela since the year 2017. Because of the age difference between Michael and Angela, Angela's lack of interest in Michael, and Angela's anger issues, it appeared as though Michael was solely seeing the Georgia woman for the purpose of obtaining a green card. Michael did, in fact, demonstrate that the allegations were accurate when he fled in February of 2024. Angela has been having a hard time coming to terms with the fact that Michael has left her, and she intends to teach him a lesson by having him deported. Nevertheless, Michael never fails to outdo Angela in every single instance. Following Angela's decision to file for divorce from Michael, he sought out to his supporters in an effort to raise funds for his legal bills. He was successful in raising more than $52,000. Angela is envious of the support that Michael receives from his fans, and the fact that he has recently posted and stated that November is going to be filled with good news will cause Angela to suffer. Michael recited a passage from the website Positive Thoughts and More that emphasized the manifestation of blessings, growth, and new opportunities, as well as productivity, positivity, answers, healing, love, and the preference of God. Michael's good news update was quite ambiguous because he did not share any captions with his followers. Star of the 90-day Fiancé, there are a lot of tricks that Michael has in his sleeve. During the time that he was living with Angela, he never communicated any indication that he desired to leave. There is a possibility that the individuals affiliated with his Paradise Men WhatsApp group were the ones who assisted him in escaping to the United States. In addition, Angela could not have anticipated that Michael would be able to initiate a fundraising campaign and gather such a substantial sum of money in such a short period of time. She failed to see the magnitude of Michael's fan base, despite the fact that she had spent years implying that he was a con artist. Michael has been very forthcoming with his good news ever since he broke up with Angela. A celebration of the 4th of July was held with his newly acquired family. He displayed his brand new home, which is spotless in contrast to Angela's cluttered residence, which he revealed to the audience. In addition to this, Michael has managed to cultivate relationships with ladies and make friends with famous people. Michael has made the decision to hire a manager who will assist him in locating employment opportunities in the United States. Already, he has begun his career as a culinary and fashion influencer, and he has been reviewing restaurants while wearing fashionable clothing from Fashion Nova. There is a possibility that Michael is in the mood to make November a very successful month by increasing his income through brand agreements. He could possibly tell who he is dating after his breakup with Angela, who was a star on the show 90-Day Fiancé, happily ever after, despite the fact that he previously stated that all of the reports about his romantic relationships were false. In addition to that, it was said that Michael had purchased a costly automobile. Later on, he asserted that it was a fabrication. Fans, on the other hand, want to see Michael driving the most luxurious automobile and living in the most pristine house, all while being surrounded by a girlfriend who loves him without question and never has any doubts about his intentions.